佢呢一題咧係問邊一個啱啦？咁佢呢一題係講緊嗰啲 private property rights 啊、exchange 同埋 specialization 佢嘅關係啦。咁你就要唔好調轉佢嘅次序啦。咁首先就講咗佢哋個關係係咩先啦。咁首先咧係有 private property rights 先啦，因為你要有呢一個嗰啲 right to transfer 啊，跟住仲有 right to use 啦，同埋 divide income 啦，先至可以去有人想去 exchange 咯。咁你冇理由你會想去同人哋 exchange 或者交換啊，買嗰啲你冇可能可以擁有嘅嘢啦，或者你冇可能可以用到啊 transfer 啊嗰啲嘢啦。咁跟住咧，你要有 exchange，有 exchange 先至係會令到你會肯去分工合作去整一樣嘢咯。咁呢一個次序就唔可以調轉嘅。咁睇下佢各個 choices 有冇調轉啦。咁呢個就話 person of private property rights 係 implies 個 person of exchange。咁呢一個其實就係調轉咗咯。其實係講緊有 exchange 先至係代表佢前面係有一個 private property rights 做前提啦。咁所以佢呢個調轉咗 A 就唔啱咯。咁跟住 B 咧，佢就話 specialization 係 exchange 嘅前提啦。咁呢一個又係調轉咗，你冇理由係想分工合作咗呢先至係想 exchange，而係你想 exchange 想賺錢，所以先至去分工合作去 specialize 一樣嘢去做一個 lowest 嘅 opportunity cost 啦，令到雙方都有得益。咁所以咧，佢嗰個次序係唔啱咯。咁所以 B 就唔啱。咁跟住咧 C 咧，佢就話嗰個 persons of private property rights 係 necessary for specialization。咁呢一個都係啦，有 property rights，跟住然後仲有呢個 desire for exchange 啦，跟住最後先至到 specialization。咁佢個次序其實係冇錯嘅，咁所以咧 C 係啱啦。咁然後 D 咧，佢就話 desire for exchange leads to person of private property rights 啦。咁呢個就係調轉咗個次序啦，係要有 private property rights 先至有 desire to exchange。咁所以 D 都唔啱，咁但係係 C 咯。